Hello and welcome back. I am Prerna from the Urban Platter studio, and today we are going to make a very classic dessert, and that is tiramisu. It is an Italian dessert which has three main components. Number one is the ladyfinger, second is the coffee mixture, and third is the mascarpone filling. Traditionally, this recipe has ingredients like eggs, butter, cream and mascarpone, but since we are making a veganized version of tiramisu, we are going to use ingredients like aquafaba, cashew and Urban Platter's coconut cream. This recipe is a must try, so let's get started. And our tiramisu is ready. It looks amazing and the vegan version is so unique in taste. I know it takes a little longer to set in the refrigerator, but the end result is totally worth it. If you are a coffee lover, then you are going to love this recipe. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye.